Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. It's Rocky. So we are continuing with the summer sale series. Man, there have been so many amazing sales this past month. I don't know how long it's been, but it started with Prime Day and then everyone has been jumping on the bandwagon ever since. So I've done Prime Day, I've done the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I've done the flash sale from Urban Outfitters, I've done various stores in between just because they were having amazing sales. So now today I'm showing you my bits from the Prime Day. Now what I will say is, might be a tad bit, I don't know, it may not be what you're expecting. Last year when I did Prime Day, they had quite a fair amount of things that I was interested in. I bought things that I probably didn't even want, quite honestly, just because they were just catchy or they caught my eye and I bought them and it was a great price. So this year I try not to let myself go down that path. I only bought things that I knew I would use and that I knew that I wanted all along. So with that being said, confession, I found nothing, not one thing from the Prime Day sale that was labeled as being on sale for Prime Day. However, my search did help me stumble upon some of the things that I did need, and I'll show you those bits right now. The first item is a set of Bluetooth earbuds. I've been needing these for quite some time, and I do go out for runs sometimes, and the cords, when you're working out or running, the wires and things from the headphones do get in the way, and I've always been like, darn it, if I only had, you know, wireless. And so I've been looking for these. But the thing that sort of put me over the edge, that made me say I really needed to have these wireless ones, was because of my birthday watch. The Fitbit does have music on it, so you pair it with headphones and you could essentially, you know, do your exercising without having your phone attached to your person and have your phone, your Pandora or whatever, Spotify coming through your watch and then to the headphones. So there was no way for me to use this without the Bluetooth earbuds, so there you have it. Now I have some and I'm happy. The next item is something that I've purchased before, and these are actually a lifesaver. These are pimple patches. This one is called Acne Pimple Master Patch, and what it is, it just has like, I have no idea what it has in there. Like, I would imagine all the stuff that acne medicine has in it normally, but in this case, it's concentrated on a little like sticker, like a little round dot sticker. And actually, let me open it up and show it to you because I need to open it anyway. So it comes on a little pad like this, and it has these dots in varying sizes, and the medication is on the sticky side. And you stick it directly onto your blemish, and then you sleep in it, or however long you need to stay in it, but you can sleep in it. And then when you wake up in the next morning, that blemish has pretty much disappeared. It either has disappeared, or it becomes like something that you could literally just rub off, or it reduces it significantly in size. Redness, swelling, all of that significantly gets reduced. So I absolutely love these. Whenever, for some reason, whenever I have something important that's about to happen, I always get a blemish. I get blemishes anyway, as you can see, but definitely when I have something important that's about to happen and I need to look my best, I have a blemish, and so I use these to reduce the drama that's happening around the blemishes that I get. So I would definitely recommend this. This is the brand that I particularly get that I know works. There are so many others out there, and they're not all that expensive, so I would say try it out. The last thing I got was a phone case, and this one in particular is for the BlackBerry D-Tech 50. Yes, I still have a BlackBerry. They do still make BlackBerry phones. My phone is touchscreen, completely touchscreen. I am able to get apps. I am able to talk. I am able to text. Oh my gosh, the dumb questions that I get about my BlackBerry, but I absolutely love BlackBerry. But anyway, that being said, the cases that I'm able to get for it, because it's not a popular phone, are limited. So whenever I'm able to find something that I like, that's functional, I snap it up. So this one in particular is a leather phone case that came with a screen protector, as well as, so it has sort of a case that holds it, It has a stylus for you to use, you know, for the touchscreen piece if you want. And then it also has the slots for your cards and for whatever else you need to carry. So this is basically my purse most of the time. I do still carry a bag to carry extra crap for no reason, but in the times where I have to be minimal, this works perfectly. So blue is my favorite color. That's why I picked this one. And I would recommend, if you have a phone and you don't want to pay the high prices from your phone carrier, and sometimes even the mall kiosks have these cases or cases for your phone, and they're pretty expensive too. If you go to Amazon, you'll find some pretty great deals, and I'd recommend that. All right, now for the last part, we're gonna continue on with the lipstick try-on. I told you guys before about this Revlon try-on case. This try-on kit that I bought. There are 24 colors in here, all in their high definition or ultra high definition colors. This is considered like a sampler, I guess. So we already did the shiny. We already did the vibrant, which was rich in color, rich in life. And then the last one we're gonna do is the matte colors. So they're all high def. They're supposed to be highly pigmented and everything like that. But this last one shouldn't have any shine. And let's see how that works. So you saw my Amazon Prime Day buys, but they're just Amazon purchases. Let me know if you thought any of those were cool. I tried on the lipstick for you guys. The Revlon Ultra HD is the line that it's called. So this one I tried on is the matte. And most matte lipsticks are very thick, very pasty, pretty dry, and they kind of like crusty and, you know, corpsey looking after a while. This one was actually more of a whipped formula, and it is super, super creamy. So if you like the look of matte lipstick, and I actually do like the look of matte lipstick, so if they make more colors than this, I probably would consider getting this brand, because this Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color, this is the vivid matte color. They say it's available in 16 shades. I have 8 here. I might look into it because I really love how creamy and smooth that this feels, how vibrant and rich the color is, and how, you know, how not crusty and pasty and hard to put on it is. How smooth it is, maybe that's what I meant to say. I like this. So I would recommend, of the 3, I would recommend most the matte, then the vivid color, and then the shiny. The shiny is a bit messy. So, but all of them are very vivid and rich in color. I think I have not worn this throughout the day, but I feel like it would last all day. But that is something you will have to test. I'm sorry. So that brings us to the end of today's video. it brings us to the end of the summer sales series that I was doing this whole week. And if you haven't seen the rest, please go back and take a look at all the great deals. I think you might still be able to catch some of it. And then lastly, we are at the end of the Revlon lipstick try on. I had 24 shades to get through. If you go back and look at a few more of these episodes, you'll see all of them. I had fun. I'm not a lipstick person, and I say this over and over again, but I had a blast trying these on. Hopefully this helps somebody. Maybe you might think of going to go purchase some, or even get this palette to try it out. I think it's worth it for $1 or $2. It was the original price. $1 even better. So thank you all as usual for joining and watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, hit the reminder bell, tell your friends and share this video, and leave a comment. I know I'm asking you to do a lot, but please do them all, and let's keep going. I have more to show you. Tune in next time. Bye, guys.